Welcome to another Workshop Wednesday and happy September. Our mental health counselor, Jen Evans, kicked off this month with her video on how waves in the ocean are inevitable, just like challenges and changes in life. So naturally, our Workshop Wednesday is here by the water. And this video will build on mindful awareness, which is a foundation of making positive changes in your life. So we'll do this guided meditation, focusing on the small and big waves. So lower the gaze, close the eyes. Take a deep breath through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Now, in your mind's eye, take yourself to the water's edge. The waves are lulling in slowly and calmly. Picture each wave rolling in and breathing slowly with it. As the next wave rolls in and comes to your ankles, label it as something that is calming and grounding. This could be one word. Maybe it's just breath or slowness. Let these waves of grounding roll through and listen to their label. Then picture a wave that is larger on the horizon. This is something that carries emotional depth in you. What is bringing this big wave of emotion to you? Notice it and become aware of the feelings it brings to your body. Not trying to stop or control the wave, just noticing that it's there. As you see the wave approaching, what is your anchor to this present moment? This can be a grounding wave from before, or it can be something completely new and specific for this big wave. Relax the shoulders, the jaw, the eyebrows. Allow your anchor to ground you as you surrender to the wave. Noticing it as it approaches, and as it comes closer, knowing you're fully grounded in your anchor. And the wave only just comes up to your knee. This wave that seemed like a tsunami is something that was approachable with your grounding, present anchor. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Wiggle the fingers and toes, coming back to your space. Taking your time to slowly open your eyes. This wave didn't knock you down, and that's not to say that other waves won't, but you're building on your sense of agency and capacity to respond to the present moment with your mindfulness. You have so much to be proud of when it comes to the waves that you've handled in the past, and so much to carry with you for the waves of the future. And of course, thanks for tuning in with me for this present moment, and I'll see you next week.